Okay.
Okay, this is the big reveal. I finally got the JLCPCB printed circuit boards, and it came with this gigantic thing here, which was a mystery. It turns out that is the stencil, and I don't know if you can see that or not, but this is the actual stencil here, and all of this is wasted metal, so I don't know why they would waste so much money on expensive metal like that, but it's going to make it harder for me to align the circuit boards to the solder paste stencil. Here we go. It's the big moment. Hopefully these are... Oh, what's this? Smile to everything. Okay, so some kind of green tape. And then there's the... Wow, they're vacuum packed. Okay, well, hopefully I can open this up without too much trouble. Ow. Okay, here's the back side.
Turn it toward
Nice
this one.
solder plated through the whole things for various things, and here's the front. And the lettering is, for the most part, legible. These are a little bit hard to read, but you can tell pretty much what everything is. And it's a thick board. So it is. Now I'm gonna do a probe of these and make sure it's what it's supposed to be, but that's looking pretty sweet.